Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the round number 753, where I'm trying to understand the mysteries of the universe. At least the programming universe, that is. I will be learning Angular again. I know. And, bum bum bum. I wanted to say something. I don't know what it was. We have a redeem for the typing. We'll be doing a Ruby. So we'll choose the Ruby. Here we go. This one's done and done. Most of you already know I split my routine into two intervals, typing and programming or learning. 3 minutes typing exercise, 35 minutes of Angular or so. Yeah, let's just get into it. Here, yes. Okay. What do we have? 3% 44? That's not bad at all for me. 3% 44. That pushes the numbers down. Now we are on average error rate of 4%. There's that. All time is now like below 6. I started with this. Yeah, that's pretty nice, right? Okay. So Angular is the name of this thing. What is this? Oh, that's the music from... Yeah, and we are playing around here. I'll start a timer. Here are my notes, and we were doing the do check triggers, and that is do I still have open the paint? Yes, I do. So the order of the checking is kind of weird. This is the parent node, this is the child, and this is the grandchild node, okay? And it seems like it is going like whenever there's like some well, this one does not have the property, so maybe that's why it was checked first. Or the ng do check were checked here first, then we got it in here, and then we got it in here. This guy is great. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I made it myself. Yeah. So this was checked first, then the parent, and then the child. Yeah. Oh, well, you know, like it's doing its job, drawing. Yeah. Okay, so we did see that. Now, if we have some, well, hold on. So here, when we did this, right? I changed the value, so we have a 9, and the grandchild is first, right? What if it does have some properties, right? That was the another speculation of mine. Grandchild. See, here's nothing here, but oh, toggle power. Oh, here we go. I'll round this off. And I will put in some variable. So variable it will be number. I know what we will infer the type from the value, which will be 0 in the beginning. And I don't think that will. You should reload, sir. Okay, good. So it was the grandchild first, right? Bam, it's grandchild first as well. I'm confused about the order of checking things. How come this one is first? The grandchild, because I thought that it goes in this direction, right? In this direction from top to the bottom. That's what I thought. That's how it works. Okay, it seems like a rabbit hole. You kind of know it. Something about it right now. So maybe I will leave it as it is. I will check it as done. Why do we have the do check? What is the answer to that? My guess is to change, or because the thing we know is that it takes no input parameter, the ng do check method, right? Input parameter, right? So it can so what it would be. What it would be good for. What did they say? Where's the thingy? Here? No. Yeah, so here, the NG2 check. Maybe we can have a look what they say at the top. Where's this? That is the component life cycle. It's the same thing. Doesn't change detection. So it does take some parameters. On LGN changes or change detection run and immediately after detect, act upon changes that Angular can't or won't detect on its own. See the details and example. Okay, so the custom detection, what does it do? Monitor. Changes that occur where engineer changes launch case down. Well, on changes, that one only looks on what is marked as input, right? Is that right? Yeah, that's... Yeah, okay, bye-bye, Nightlight. Thank you for coming. So, the engine changes, doesn't detect shit. Shown in the do check example. This is the do check example, for the fuck's sake. Single show how you can use the NG check hook to detect and act upon changes in Angular. Extends. Okay, on changes sample with the following NG2 check. Hook. So you have this guy, and we do check for that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I know. That will be to catch changes which Angular cannot catch itself. Example. Exempli gratia. That is the ng on changes detects only changes directly on friends if its input variable points to an object changes of inner fields are not detected. So we can check all of the inner or of the all the inner object fields for change. Yes, this is org mount. This is org mount. This is org mount. Org mount is awesome. I like org mount. Honestly, that's the only reason why I use Emacs. Yeah. So here we have this. Yeah, org mount is great. You can have a to-dos, you can... It's like really powerful. You can do a lot of shit in it. So you can do a timestamps, you know, I can have a like to-do and I can... yeah, there's a ton of things. You can have a calendar in there. You can do... Look at this, you know, I will make a table, right? So it will look like this. Headings, you know, another will be name, some number, favorite, animal, right? Oh fuck. Okay, well, never mind. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Now, and now I will have like, oh fuck, this is not nice, but here I have a headings, you know, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so this, and now I can like delete the, how it was, I'm not using it that often, but it will be org delete row org table row kill row. Oh fuck, no, that was column. Org kill call. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm experimenting with the Spacemacs, right? So it has like different key bindings, but the takeaway which I wanted to show is like, which I cannot. You can delete like lines. It behaves like a table, you know. I will write here something. So this will be so def. And it aligns automatically, right? Some number, it will be really long number, you know, tab, I'm here, favorite animal, what is your cat? And here I have another one, so night, white, 90, you know, it will blah blah blah. You get the idea, right? It's pretty powerful. And it's all text, it's plain text, so you can push it to GitHub and you can read it there, no problem. Yeah, you can have like formulas in the tables, and you can schedule like the to-dos, you know, and then it will like tell you what is on your agenda and so on. There's a lot of stuff, but for me, just, you know, like keeping notes like this is awesome. And I have you can put a links in there, you probably saw that, right? So if I take the link from here, so now I will create a link, I will insert that thing, here will be some description, you know, this is a link, you know, and I have a link in there, or I can open it, right? And yeah, I can use a mouse if I want to as well. Click, you know, click on it. It's cool. I like it. Why is the grain shot triggers first? I don't know. I don't know. But we were looking at this, right? Here was the thingy. Now it changes the hero name too. Yeah. So that would be the purpose of the ng2 check, I think. Right, it's basically fix the shortcomings of the ng on changes. That would be 1. But there is like another, it triggers will be probably more reasons. So we have the do check. What is next? So we have the after content in it. Oh god. After view checked and after view in it. So, okay, so at the beginning, what did they set? Oh, come on, go up. Here, energy and changes after content in it. Called once after the first energy do check. Respond after Angular projects external content into the components view. What the directives is in. So I guess we will be implementing those two. So we have a currently we have a do check and on init, right? And on init doesn't do shit. Okay, so here, oh, I will steal this, put it in here, and ng do check, and this will be ng on init, like so, and in the parent tree, this here. Oh, that was the grandchild. What was it? Yeah, it was the grandchild. Maybe I don't want to have like so many things in there. So parent, we do not look at the init at all at this moment, so we'll fix that in the parent and the child. So in the parent, we will put in a beautiful detail this guy, and that is ng on init thingy. Right, then we will look into child, this guy. go. And now if we have a look, so we can see the ng unit is in the parent, then in a child, of course, and then it will be in a grandchild, but I did not put it in there. And that will be called only once when that is created, but my suspicion is that it will be called, I don't need this, remove this around a little bit so I can traverse it a little bit quicker. Here we go. What is this? Also, we don't need that. Those were the colors. Okay. So the after content. So after view checked and after view init. We were looking at after content init. That's a different one. Okay. What they say about that? Where's the content in it? Okay, do we have an example for that? There's a link responding to changes in content. Looks like it is over there. So after viewing it, after you checked, where's the content? Maybe what I could do is to search for content checked. Content checked. Okay, so here's 1, 2. Okay, so content in it and content checked. Okay, cool. So we are in the right place. HTML between component element tags. And he has this. He kinda did put it inside of it. Okay, so we have a few questions. First of all, what is the content? Question. This one I know the answer to as well. What is the order? Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. What the fuck? Doesn't make sense that much, right? I have this, and I have this too. This doesn't make sense. I'll keep that as well. But what I do want to know is what is the component content for the content, what content means in the context of components and hooks. And is it the inside of a tag, e.g. will be parent tag or component tag. Well, I shouldn't call it tag, right? They have like different name for it in Angular. They call it selector. No, it doesn't. They don't call it. Oh, that's plural side. Yeah, what is the name for it? What's the element? Selector. Let's use the selector and apply this directive in a template and triggers in chain of the directive. Okay, I will use my own language. Component tag is this. This component tag. Is it another directive directive inside the components template? And then we have is it that was the ng content, right? HTML content from outside the components and insert that content into the components template. Can identify projection in a template by looking for the following constructs. So that's HTML between component element tags. Interesting. They said between component elements tag. Okay. Presence of. It's supposed to be exactly ng content, or is it like? It could be like anything. after content sample explores the after content and after content checked. Is that what we are answering though? It's yeah. My thoughts are drifting away. Explores the after content and after content check to that angle across. Okay, so we have isn't that. Fuck, this will be not nice. Hey, Trump stars. Yeah, drifting away. That means like I'm thinking about something else than what I'm reading. That's... should time them down. How's the new job? It's fine and angering at the same time. I still haven't touched the code though, and I was there like for 6 days now. Yeah, that was a little bit angering. Actually, I will just make this session longer and then I will go sleep so I can go to work tomorrow sooner. And yeah, I'll do some work because at Thursday I'm leaving, so I guess for the vacation to the Alps. Oh, okay, so this. Yes, okay. So we'll have a look into after content parent, and here's the okay. So here's the after content. Cool. It is like ng content. Oh, okay. And then that gets like this app child gets in here, right? Do we need it here at all to display it? So if we have a look in the application, and that is I will have a look into template projected content. Okay. Projected. Okay. Yeah, fuck the timer. We are going longer. Okay, so that's that. to content, and here we have the app child. Do I have to use it? What if I do this? What will change? Oh, I don't have it in there. Okay. And the parent, let's say we'll put in what is it? I command it now. Will the delete? Yes, it will. And we have a content child and view child. What is the difference between those? Come on. That is the difference between view child and content child. Now, what I want to do is to so when it triggers, so we will have options and we will fill them out one by one. So the first one is any change in thing check that by ng content. Then we will have any. That will be variable change. That right. Then this one will be. Oops. That will be view change. Then another variant would be variable change in component inside parents view parents template view change in components inside template. That's like cumbersome wording a little bit. It's a little bit cumbersome. I shouldn't look at the other viewers. It's like, oh, I had a free, now I have one. So that works. It works weird, the angle algorithm. Sometimes I think it's enough for you to unfocus the window and you are not counted anymore, I think. This is enough. So site child in what? Child in what? Yeah, those are like two things which I want to verify, right? And I will probably modify the after content thingy in here. Right, so this after content parent, and so on. Okay. So I will search for after content. Here's the parent. This we will not need. Now we know it triggers inside of the ng content, right? This is what this demonstrates. This thingy, right? So if I go here and we do s, it says after content checked. Magenta 1s. It's like no change, only when I unfold. Oh, so it's checked when I press something. When I unfocus, then I get a change. So this says, what is the do something? Okay, so that is content in it, and then after, then only checked, right? How come? It's like delayed a little bit. So in both ways, we know that if we change the variable inside of it, that works. Yes. Now, how would I change a view? Okay, so I know. This would be we can have a look at the hello secret fly. Welcome to the channel. So we'll go to the chat compost. Oh, thank you so much, Secret Fly. So nice. You stream too? What do you stream? Here? Yes. Music. You stream music. I'm playing games.
I think most people that I know.
Cool. Okay. So for anyone interested, you can go here and click the follow. Seems like gaming channel. How was your stream? How was your stream, sir? Well, how you did. Yeah, and here I want to have a oh, come on, is this like anywhere else? How is it going? I'm trying to understand the after content check hook or the content hooks in Angular framework. And you say you have a schedule in there. Schedule. Oh, wow. American Truck Simulator, Mario Kart, is programming. Friday. Yeah, I will be gone. Fortune Street Analyzer project development. Yeah, what are you programming? We are figuring this out. And it seems like the magenta, this field is only in yeah, but it changes the view, right? As well. So so I don't know right now this really, because that is also changed to the view and the model of the child, right? So we will change it a little bit. This will be inside our model variable, right? It will be 0. Here we will have a button that will have a click. Oh, I'm outside the thing. Button click, and that will be equal to increase, just like that. Button will be plus, and we will implement this. Yes, create, and we will say this model variable plus plus void. So now we can have a look in here, and we have the plus, right? And if I click, so we have a 4. No change. It is triggered. See that? It says no change. Why? What we are looking for. So in the parent, we have the after. Where did we implement that? Oh yeah, in the after content. So here we have the init, and we have this. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, I will kind of butcher it. If child value is content child dot model variable. I'll say this log it. I'll steal this. I'll say okay. No, undo. Word number change. Why is and this does not exist, so we will create that field. It's not a. This will be a number, and we'll just initialize it to that. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Breaks events and outcomes that occurs in Fortune Street game. Who's from Hawaii? Not me though. Not me. Boom. Bam, and it says no change, no number change. And here we have the number change. It's kinda... I'm from Europe. I'm from Czech Republic. I'm here. Here is Prague. Here is the Czech Republic. And here is Germany, Poland, Slovakia, Austria, Italy, France. Here's United Kingdom. Hey, it's okay. Hungary and Africa, Europe, North America, South America. I'm here. I'm right here. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't have the AM PM, and you can see my time right in here and the date. Like I did put it in here. That usually no one looks at that. Now I am trying to like understand how you're not the only one. The two of the hooks, and that is the after content checked and after content in it. So I'm trying to understand what the content really is in the context of the hooks and the components. And I'm figuring it's slow down because the description to me that is not enough. You know, it's like, oh, it changes the content. Well, what the fuck is the content? Well, it is this. Oh, is it like something else as well? You say, does it have to be this? You know, could it be? How long I have been? Well, I don't know when I started. I tried a little bit some time ago. The Angular 2 and higher version. Well, on the stream I did started like a few months ago. Now I got a job in it right now, so whoop. But I'm still learning. Never put content between the components element tags unless you intend to project that content into component. Yeah, and I wanted to know what is the difference between content children, content choreo. Well, there's so much I don't know. Yeah, but I think I am going to sleep. I think that is what I will do. Because it's midnight here. I have work tomorrow. I have a lot of stuff to do. And well, okay, I'll stop the